Let me show you how to add and also how to use Gemini Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. So by default, actually, you already should have Gemini installed basically on this tablet. So if you want to launch it, there are multiple different ways. So first you can simply press and hold your power button, and you see this Gemini gets launched. So you can instantly start speaking with it. Also enter here something manually as well. Also, if you click this plus sign, you can also add basically maybe some file or photo basically as well to your question as well for the Gemini. For example, we can take something basically from the camera here, take picture essentially, and also attach it as well. So you can ask it, for example, what is this flower? Okay, so you see, to process. So you see, yep, it even displayed what it is. Also, if you click this button over here, you can also enter the live mode as well. So click this essentially.
Hi, I'm Gemini.
Okay.
All right, let's dive right in whenever you're ready.
Okay, apologies. Let's launch it again. Okay, so essentially in this live mode, you can talk with the Gemini and ask some questions and it'll instantly answer them. So for example, let's try. Hey, what's up?
Not much, just chilling here. How about you? Anything interesting happening?
Hey, tell me something about the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra.
The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Ultra is a premium tablet that
No,
features
stop.
high-quality
S11 Ultra, not S7.
Ah, gotcha. You're referring to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. My apologies for the confusion. What can I tell you about that model?
Yeah, okay. So also, if you click over here, you can also enter this live mode for camera as well. So you can actually point basically your camera at various things and ask some things about it. Hey, do you know what is this flower here? Okay, but let's try again. Hey, do you know what is this flower here?
Yes, that's a beautiful white water lily resting on its green lily pad. Would you like to know anything else about it?
Do you think it's fake or real? Okay, so you see it's crashing, so not the best. Yeah, but you see, you get the point. I have used another tablets and it's actually not really doing this. Also, you can also summon basically the Gemini Assistant using your voice as well by saying simply, hey Google. So you see, you can also summon it basically that way as well. But if you want to enable this, so you have to actually enable it, by default it's actually not on. So you would go to your Google folder where you have all the Google apps and click on the Google app. So this one over here. Then click over here on your profile. Okay. And settings and Google Assistant and click on voice match. And basically, okay, so let's delete this. So again, make sure to enable it here and you will have to actually train your voice for it. So click I agree. So yeah, it's already trained up for me. But again, yeah, the first time you enable it, you will have to basically say a few phrases and basically to learn basically how you actually sound like. And then you can essentially simply say, hey Google, set timer for 5 minutes.
I've set a timer for 5 minutes. It will go off at 12:13 a.m.
Yep. So see, you can also obviously ask it to do some things as well on the tablet itself. Okay, good luck.